Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Xbox Series S has the latest system update, because compatibility improves with updates. Once done, decide wired USB for instant connection or use a Bluetooth adapter if your keyboard is wireless. Plug the keyboard into a rear USB port or insert the adapter and wait for a brief device acknowledgement sound or on-screen notice. You'll see quick setup feedback. If nothing appears, try a different port. Then confirm the keyboard has power and any dongle is seated fully. Once connected, go to Settings, then Devices and Connections, then Accessories to verify the keyboard registers. This is where you confirm input mapping. Next, test typing in the guide search, a message, or the browser to check keys and layout. Make sure to adjust language and keyboard layout so punctuation and special characters match expectations, otherwise you'll see swapped keys. If you use macros or media keys, check app-specific behavior. Some functions depend on app support, so to finish, map any keyboard shortcuts you need for chat, captures, or app controls and make note of useful hotkeys. Once configured, keep firmware updated and store a spare USB cable or adapter. Small hardware faults often cause problems. If something goes wrong, restart the console first, then test the keyboard on a PC to isolate hardware versus console issues. If it still fails, swap adapters or batteries, try another USB port, and then repair or factory reset settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.